Good morning, everyone. How are you this morning? Guess what, guys? D-Don is in the kitchen to do what? Yes, we will be soaking our fruits for Christmas and for Thanksgiving. It's that time of the year. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Don is putting out a video. And to all my subscribers, supporter, YouTuber, and follower, a very big warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. Guys, without you, D-Don would be here on YouTube. So I thank you for your continuous support, and I'm looking forward for you to continue. And to all the newcomers, please subscribe, like, and share. So let's begin to rumble. Half-pound cherries, half-pound prunes, 1 pound currant, 1 pound raisin, 2 to 5 cup of orange juice. In Jamaica, they refer to this as a buckle, but it's a mason jar. So you need a mason jar, or if you want to say buckle, you need that. But I'm using this big one. So guys, you're just gonna combine everything, all the fruits that you have, you're just gonna combine it in the bowl. The prunes, let me tell you a little about the prunes. This big one, it's good for constipation. So definitely if you can't have a BHAM, you are constipated and you eat 3 to 4 prunes, trust me, you will be flying on that throne. Yeah, it's good for constipation. So you don't need a lot of prunes in your cake. Then you're gonna pour the orange juice in. And the orange juice I'm using is the one with the pulp. And you just want to make sure you have enough orange juice in your mason jar. So beautiful people, remember to like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Leave a comment and hit the notification bell so you will be the first to know when I'm doing a video. And then you're going to place the lid on the mason jar just like this. And you locked it. So you seal it, and you're gonna put this away to store. See, you're gonna shake it around. Look how nice this is looking, guys. So then at the end of the process, you can have it soaking for 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So now, because this is orange juice we're soaking the fruit with, you have to place it in the refrigerator. So we're gonna put it in the refrigerator to soak. So yes, we will be placing it in the refrigerator to soak. And it's that simple, yeah. So guys, please take care. I see you on the next one. Love you. And it's our fruit we're soaking for Christmas cake that is coming up. Take care, peace and love.